Welcome back. So today we are looking at how to fix your URL in LinkedIn. This is the homepage. Now you navigate to your profile. You just click on your name. Then you'll see how your URL appears. There at the top you see it has some letters and numbers. So we need to remove these numbers to make it appear more appealing. So the first thing you do is go to the public profile in URL. There at the right top corner, public profile in URL. Then you click on this pen. From there you can still go to the top right corner where it's written edit your custom URL. Edit your custom URL. Then you'll click on that pen again. So from here you can just start editing your URL. You remove that number. You can leave it like that, or you can add something. You can add anything, specifically your job role or anything that you do. This will assist in the SEO or the search engine optimization. So for example, here we'll say English Swahili translator. After you finish, just click on save. There you have changed your URL to the one you would like to appear. So just navigate to your profile again, and as you can see, our URL has changed. So there you go, it has changed from those numbers and letters to the one we need to appear. So that's it. Remember to subscribe and leave a thumbs up or a like. I'll see you in the next one.